Hi there everybody, this is Alshehaby. Today in our Adobe Illustrator tutorial we are going to design a 3D graphic style. This graphic style we can use it later on any other text with just a click of a mouse. Today we have different gradients, different colors, different fonts, so let's start and see what we've got today. I'm gonna start with opening my Illustrator program. Here I have my two goldish gradient that I will use today ready. I will start typing my text and choose my fonts. First we need to remove the fill. We're gonna add our own fills today from the appearance panels. Go to fill and with the eyedropper tool click on the first gradient or choose it from your swatch color if you have it already in there. I will make my second fill now. This time I will give it a solid color. You can't see it now because both layers are still on top of each other. I will go to Effect, Distort and Transform, or you can get it from down here if it's easier for you. Hit Preview so you can see what you're doing. And from Move, I will give it a 0.5 pixels. Now you can see it. I just need to move it just a tiny bit. Now I will make my third fill and give it my second gradient. Go to Transform, Effect and hit Preview. Here we have Scale, Move and numbers of copies. I will scale it here 99%. And move it the same value as before, 0.5 pixel. The numbers of copies here decide how thick is your 3D. So the bigger value is the thicker 3D. I will just start with, let's say 10. We'll try 15 copies. I will leave it on 20. You can go to the gradient panel and control the angle until you reach to the color you like the most. Now I'm gonna add another fill, my last fill, to give it a shadow. I will give it here a black color. Go to Transform, hit Preview. From here I will give it an 85% vertical. And from Move I will give it 2% each. Then I'm gonna give it an offset path. I would say 2%. I'm gonna add another effect, free distort, and from here start lay your text down. I want this here to look like a shadow in the ground. Then go to blur and increase it a little bit. Then reduce its opacity as well. I will get a different angle for my color here. Now I'm gonna save this gradient style so I can apply it for any other text with just a click of a mouse. Open your appearance panel along with the gradient style panel. Hold and drag your type graphic style into your graphic style panel. Now we have it there. Now I'm gonna change my text. Just click on your graphic style and you're all set. You can still change your numbers of copies, the 3D looks, and even control your shadow. Now you can save your new style. And from here you can import it later on. This is my own graphic styles that I have created before and saved them for myself. I'm gonna leave this original file along with the 2 gradients that I have used in my tutorial today with all those colorful graphic styles in my video description below. When you open the graphic style file, you will see this message: please open your graphic style panel, and then you will get all these styles from there. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Hopefully you like this tutorial, and see you again soon. Have a good day. Bye bye.